This week's design challenge is going to be very small and very easy. You're going to be doing another business card like the ones you did in the InDesign lesson. It's so small that I'm going to be using a larger one to talk about it. So we'll use the same template that you set up
in your parent page,
where you have the 2-inch square. On the left side, you'll be placing the sailboat picture in that square. On the right side, you'll be arranging the text so that you have the name, the address, and the email. You'll be using the eyedropper tool to select the colors for the name from one of the fish and the email from another fish. And you can use guides to help you line up the text with the fish for the title and line up the address through the middle and line up the email with the bottom of the boat. So very simple, and everybody should be able to get this one perfect. When you're working on something really small, like a business card, it's very easy to get distracted by the large picture of it on your computer. It's not going to look like that when you print it out, so make sure you see it in a realistic way by changing your view to actual size. This is particularly important to make sure that you can read the words